Have you been annoyed by the software resample module DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze the software's dependency and restore that missing file. While preparing the manual steps for software resample module, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This DLL file is an FFmpeg library used for high-quality audio resampling. It allows applications to convert audio between different sample rates and channel layouts with high numerical precision. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. It's important to note that the software resample module DLL is installed as part of FFmpeg and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of FFmpeg from the official source will restore the correct version of the software resample module to your PC. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the software resample module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Keep in mind that the software resample module DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to the software resample module. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing the software resample module was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.